Hi, my friends. I have a problem with my gamepad, Sony PlayStation 5. I have a problem with joystick. Yeah, it's left joystick, and it sometimes stick to the left. So you can see right now I don't push it into any direction. It just goes left, and that's all. So today we'll try to fix it, and I will show you how to do that. And for this, I ordered a gamepad repair set from AliExpress. So it contains joysticks, controllers, and also tool set for fixes. First of all, we need to take this plastic stuff and to take off this black part of this gamepad. So for doing this, we need to put this here and to get such holes, small holes near the port. After that, we need to use this tool to open this part. Yeah, as you see, left one is opened, and we need to make the same with the right one. So we just put this tool here and push until it will be opened. After taking this off, yeah, we need to remove L1 and R1 buttons. After this, we need to unscrew these two screws here. And two more screws on the bottom of the gamepad. After removing all four screws, you should detach one part of joystick from another part. Yeah, so you can do it by using this tool and from the bottom to the top, because the lock is on the top. I can't show this on video with one hand, but I hope you will understand how to do it. So you just put it here and go to the top. Don't forget to detach these two locks. They can be detached really easily, so be careful not to break them. Now we have to remove the battery. You can do it or even without anything. And after taking it off, you can just put this cable from this. After that, you should remove this screw and this connection here. But be careful not to break anything, so make it really carefully. Now we need to remove these four connections. 1, 2, 3, 4. Make it really carefully. Now we should take this off. You see it's connected to other parts, so you can only just open it but not pull it out. Now we should detach this green from this by pulling it somehow. Now we should take this white ring off, yeah, by using another tool from our setup. What I will be do next, I'll take one of these donors, yeah. I will open this holder and replace the ring we removed with a new one. And after this, we should gather our joystick, gather all details together, and that's all.